I hope you like our present showcase about our Transformer, Power of the Prime, Dinobot, Snarl, who's uh, they are consist of six Dinobots. Then when they form a Volcanicus, a giant robot, but that Snarl is very nice. See, just enjoy our all their details. At the same time, we first showcase Swoop. If you wanna catch the video, just go look for it in my playlist. Uh, from live, my playlist from live. Then the second one is Slug, and that the third one, in the robot form, that called Snarl, whose their pronouns pig design are very nice. Their mechanical details is superb. And with the Human Alliance character, Sam Witwicky and also Michaela Benz, as comparison, so that you can see how tall they are in the robot form and also in their dino form. That the scale is very nice. They can connect perfect scale with the Human Alliance. And their sizes are Voyager size. They're all Voyager size. Same height as SS 38 Optimus Prime. They're the same in height. And they can also be fair with the Transformer Prime. If you have a Transformer Prime toy line, you can also set them as your Dinobots. That's why I bought that set, because in a Transformer Prime we don't have any Dinobots character there, and we have there is the Predaking. But the rivalry between in Power of the Primes, Predaking and the Dinobots, their rival. And we have Predaking there, but the Predaking in the Transformer Prime, they're not combining as one giant robot. They're individual dragons. They are dragons. Not like in a G1, they're not dragon. There are lions and hippopotamus, tiger. But they are belongs to the animal kingdom. But in the Transformer Prime, they make it as a dragons. So hope you enjoy our showcase for today. They're all good together if you see them. All the paneling, the design. If you have that set, you'll be lucky and happy. The Dinobot set. They have now as a studio series, but they're not combined into a Volcanicus. They're separate character. But this thing have a separate character, plus they can also combine as one. And I'm happy to have that. And I hope you're also enjoying what you see